Okay.
Okay. All right, cool. So let's see. Let's get into the
First
room.
person on the gear, we have Emily.
Hi, Emily. Good
Hi,
evening time. How you
good
doing?
evening. I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I am good. Hope your
Okay.
day is fine. Is your day winding down? Just starting?
It's winding.
Okay, nice,
Mm.
nice. Okay, so let's get. Please help me drop a comment in the WhatsApp community to get everyone ready. See Daddy
Uh,
Twins.
okay.
So,
Hmm?
hi Rahim, how you doing?
Good evening, Josephine. Good evening to you all. I'm
Good,
good. How about
good
you?
evening. Say me hi to baby. Oh my. Hope we're good, good, good. Our day is going on well. We're just, moving forward no matter what. Toby Loba. Please, guys, do me a favor. Drop a comment in the WhatsApp group, urging everyone to join us. We have started. So we're going to start, I think, 9:05 on the dot, just so more people come in. Thanks, Emily. I see your comment. Who else? Toby Loba, how you doing? Zainab, hope you're good. Hi, hi. Join the meeting. There is
Hi, Daniel.
Hey, Rahim. Oh, sorry, I did not get back to you, Rahim.
No
Yesterday, I
worries.
was overwhelmed.
No worries. For some reason, I don't know why I'm unable to access your Microsoft. So I'll follow. I have my work Microsoft, so I'll follow and see how it's been done. And then, so just trying to let you know that.
So how are you going to do it today? Do I create another listing for you today? Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to use you
Yeah. Mhm.
to refresh what happens. So I'll create another account for you.
Or you can proceed, but I have another co-pilot where I have all the planner and everything. So I just want to see how you do it. So don't you can proceed, please.
Okay, okay, no
All
problem.
right, thank you. Just an FYI.
I trust you.
hi guys, hi everyone. Good evening. Okay, so please, if you're here, Omirwa, hi, Alonge, Treasure, drop a message. Please help me drop a message in the community. They're used to my handwriting a lot. So just tell them that we're live just to get more people to join the session. Thank you. Tell them we are live, please. Just drop a quick message and say, guys, join in. We are live and session is about to start.
If I start, I want to introduce somebody.
Okay,
I have my
go
wife on.
ahead. Oh my, your wife that knows I like jollof rice. Let me see, so Basti, how you doing?
I'm
I heard they
fine.
sold me out. So your husband sold me out and said I like jollof rice.
I used to listen to your class. I I normally
Oh,
listen to your. I'll be in the room while you are lecturing them. I'll be giving them example of
oh,
jollof rice.
oh, my, good to have you on the session this evening. So happy
Thank
to have
you.
you here. Thank you for
Thank,
joining.
thank you.
Okay, so this is
Ah,
9:04. We have
Daniel.
11 participants on
Now
the
Yes.
so you
call.
now so you dey do for here.
What did I do now?
That's what they do for it. Everybody they bring in one. I see love in
Okay,
there. That's
so
good.
yeah, it is. It is actually. It is. So let's start. Over to you. Over to you, Daniel. And yeah.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Like she said, I'm Kalon Daniel by name, and I'm a Nigerian by trade, by mark, by birth, and every other thing. I'm based here in Scotland, UK. I'm a project compliance case worker with the civil service here in the UK. We started no, this is the third section, the third edition of this series where we are looking at Microsoft 365 for project management. And so we had a little technical hinge that we've not been able to record the past two sections. But this section, I promise you, we are going to record it. And I'm just going to do a recap of all what we've been doing in the past time before we start the main thing again. Last week, we started by me sharing my Microsoft 365 account and adding some people into the team. Now, let me let you know that it is still possible for me to add one person, but I have added people who submitted their name on the list, the Excel sheet that was provided by Josephine, and all of us are now included there. Please, if you are there, please, can you give me a thumbs up? Those that are in that their name was added. I know, Emily, you were added, yes. Have you been able to do all the connection?
Yeah, yes, I did.
Okay, fine. And so I added two-way security system because I was dropping the password and everything on the account so that you could privatize yours, protect your data. That is why I decided to make it in a way that you have to do your two-way modification factor to change your password so that it will not be easy for someone else to copy your password. Security is one thing in project management. Data protection is very, very essential in project management. Now, let's kick off. Let me go back to my Jira, my Microsoft account. And oh, I'm not starting sharing my screen, sorry. So I will share my screen now and we'll start right away. Where we'll now look at, I'm going to try as much as I can to paraphrase the what we did last week, and then we'll start our jollof rice project on project planning. So we could adjust the thing now. What we need to execute a party jollof rice. What do we need to execute a party jollof rice? So I am sharing my screen now. I'll go right away to Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is where we were last week. This is where we were last week. So this is the one we wanted to start, the new project. So what I did, first of all, I went to the, what do you call it, admin. I went to Microsoft admin. And when I went to Microsoft admin, I now started adding members. If you have your own account, like Rahim said he has his own account, you'll be able to add users to form a team. You'll be able to add users. So when you come here, you see the users there, then you add users. So for instance, you can come here, you just active users or so then, but when you click that users, you come here and you just add user. if you have your own account. So it is not open to everybody in the admin. So I want to add a user. I don't know who is there that does not have a link that I've not added here yet. Can you just speak up? I can't see anybody now. I'm sharing the screen. If you are
I
there,
think I can help you, Daniel.
okay.
So if you haven't joined in on this, is it the board, will I call it? Just drop your name and surname. I think that works, right? Give us your name and surname so we can add you to the PM group on the Microsoft 365 too. Okay, what's going on? I'm not seeing anybody drop their name. If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Thank you, Treasure. Thank you, Olasimbo. Okay, we have one name, Olaiton Tobiloba. So you want to pick that up, Daniel, right?
Okay. The name is on the listen already.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go to. Oh, they don't plenty. Where's the first person? Okay, I like that. I've seen her. So we are going to work with Olaito for now so that we don't waste time because we have a whole lot to do today. So what I'm doing now is to create the account, the username now. I want it to be as easy as possible for her so that she can quote it anywhere she is. So I just put Olaito dot Talibia. Sorry. Tabioba.
No, it's Tobiloba. Don't worry.
Tobioba. See me, I
Apologies.
don't forget
You
you.
could just say Toby. Apologies, oh Toby.
Toby, I'm sorry about it, I beg. So I want to require you to change your password so that it will be fast for you. So this is for an admin. So I'll remove it from here and put here. So, and immediately we are going to see this and then we'll get it now. Showing the password. On your own later, you could change it if you want. So I'll produce that one for you. So I'm going to go to the, what do you call it now, and drop it. So you join. So while you join, I'll now go, for the sake of others, we are going to create a new channel on Teams. We are going to start all over again to create a new channel on Teams. So I'm going back to Teams. See this icon here, drop down, new channel. I'm clicking that new channel. When I click it, it pops up with this. It's so I should select team. If I want to select team, it's all for me to go here. And I say, it asks me to find a team or this. No, I don't want to do that. So I want to make it a new channel. So I'll call it Jollof Rice, Party Jollof. I hope I spell the Jollof well. Our description is executing party jollof.
Sorry, Daniel, are we also doing the same thing that you're doing, or this is just on your side?
No, not yet, just on my side first. Let me
Okay.
create the channel. So everybody I'm adding now. Everybody I'm adding now will just be able to just join. Why don't I leave it private? Oh, let's leave it as standard. What's going on? Sorry, guys. There's a problem. I missed a step. So what's the problem now? Okay, the first person I could remember is Jennifer here? What about Esther?
No, they're not on the call.
Okay.
Jennifer is not on the call. Esther is not
Who
on the
is here
call.
that is on the call? I think Emily is here.
You can add me as well.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Emily, I'll see if I'll find you. No. Emmanuel, Beatrice Emmanuel, no. Emily, what's your name, please?
Emily Mausa.
Emily. Are you not part of here? Mausa. I know I,
Okay.
I can't find you.
Okay.
Um, Rahim, are you here?
Yeah,
But you said you could not enter the other time.
yeah, but yeah, just check today. It's okay now, please.
It's okay.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
fine. Who again is here with us?
I'm also here.
Okay, what's your name?
Enyina Omero.
Yinaya. Have I added you before?
I don't think so.
No, he wasn't part of the first set that was added.
So we don't have anybody like Jennifer here, Estaline here, Deborah here, Beatrice Emmanuel
No,
here.
no.
Huh?
Alungese.
Alonge?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now my customer. Oladele Alonge. Who again is here?
Comfort Agbo is here.
Okay, Comfort Agbo is here. I need like 5 people to join.
So if you were part of the first set, try Amaka. I think Amaka was part of the first set.
Yeah, I think Amaka
Let's see if
was.
that pops up. Yeah.
Yeah, Amaka was. Is she here?
Yes, she's here. She's here.
One more person. Okay, let me use myself. Yeah, myself. As the admin, I will not come up. Who again? Who again? Who again? Who again? One more person. Okay, let me just add any name I see there. Let me just use Beatrice Emmanuel.
Olasimbo Makinde.
Ola. Okay, I don't see you. So we've met our target. So let me add these people on this new channel. So look at our channel here, Party Jollof Flies. So it has created the page for us now. So what we are going to do now is to go and start our project initiation. But from our dashboard, we are going to see all what we need. So like I said before, you press this plus. Now, those of us that is on board, have you seen this?
Yeah, yeah,
Have you seen the channel?
yeah. I've seen it.
Okay, you go to apps. What was the problem? There's something going on today. If I check my subscription, the way this is behaving, the way it's behaving, I hope they've not knocked me out of my subscription. There's a problem today. So, If any of you have seen the what do you call it? Let me see whether it's on my own side. If any of you have seen the channel, can you click into the channel? Click into the channel. Rahim, can you do that?
I can see the channel.
Okay, called the Party Jollof.
Yeah.
Okay, click into that channel. Click that plus icon.
Takes me to add a new app. No additional suggestions right now.
Okay, it's telling you to add a new app.
Yeah.
What is supposed to happen here? Okay. New. Edit Excel work document folder. Not creating a folder.
Is it because you're opening it on Teams, which is why you're having these issues? Can you try it on? Yeah, try it on the app itself. And let's see, maybe.
I'm suspecting that I'm suspecting something. It's like this thing is due because the apps are not here. Those other apps are not here. If they are not here, we'll go back to the old one. It's like it's on my subscription. And I did not receive any message. I'm sorry, guys. These guys are brutal in the UK here. They don't play with subscriptions.
Then can we use the initial one, the new PM safe?
Let's use the old one.
Yeah.
No, do. Okay, let me just go back to Microsoft Teams. I'm sorry, guys. I have messed up today. I should have checked my account, unlike what we did last week. And I should have checked my account. Let's use the old one we did. Then, which one could you see? Which of the channel can you see, Rahim?
The new PMs.
The new PMs. Okay, let's use the new PM. We are going to use the new PM. Let this thing come up. Okay. Okay, this is the one we're using, the new PM. So we were already on software development, but what we want to do will not work with software development. So we just go back to the planner. We are going to create new plan. So what will work now is project management. So we just use that template. So the name
Sorry,
of
Daniel, a bit slow. Let's follow, please.
Okay, sorry.
Create new plan and then Project management, right?
Yes.
So use the template.
Yeah, use the template.
All right, thanks. All right, let's proceed.
So we'll go for the name of this template now. It's going to be Party Jollof Rice. So it's under PM onboarding group. So I'm going to create now. So it's trying to create the template for us now. So this is the template we are talking about. Project management, those of us that are new, is divided into 5, which is initiation, planning, executing, monitoring, and control, and then closing. That is the 5 part of project management. You can decide to add more to it if you want, but this is the 5 part. Now, we're talking about our party jollof rice. So initiation, what are we going to think about? What are the tasks? It has already suggested some tasks for us: identifying goals and objectives, developing strategies and plan, and all those things. That is what it has been able to come up for us. Do we know any other plan to use? Okay, let's assuming we want to use that identifying goals and objectives. We can decide to change the color here if we want. Here, this is the long cut of doing this. We can still come here, click this little dot, and use it. Our label, we can decide to change it to red or whatever we want to use. So all these group now, let's say we keep it at blue. So we come here. The bucket we are in is in initiation. That's what they call it, the progress, the bucket. So are we in not started? When we start, we'll click that place. Then any is it, what kind of priority? Is it important or not important? Then we have our start date, then our due date. So let's say our start date is of course is today, or let's say we are going to start it next week. We are still planning. Let's say we are going to start it next week. That is our start date. So this initiation, let's say we are giving it 5 days from next week 23rd to on the 27th. That's the due date for it. Then definitely to be on non-started. On our priority list, we'll say it is important but not yet urgent. And then we can give it a description. This year we'll now talk about our objective. Here, you can always use your AI to get your objective, why you want your party jollof rice. Always ask your AI to ask you questions in order for you to derive what you want. But you can just on your own say, I want to host, number 1, I want to host a party of village people. I want to host a party of 100 people. Sorry. 100 people. Then that's number 1. Number 2, I want to serve hot jollof rice. 3, I want it to be spicy. Something like that. Let's not waste time. And then we'll come to checklists, define the primary objective, all those kind of things. So by the time you click any one, it will make you know that you've done that. That's when you are checking. It's not now you start doing that. When you start checking, then you just go down. All these have been added. So you come back to this place because it has been added already. It is just a suggested something from suggested tax from Microsoft Planner. So if we want to add our own tax, it has given us goals. It gave us development strategy plan as one of the tax. What about if we add attendance checklist as one of our what do you call it, or venue and location? That could be one of our what do you call it? We could add that as one of our tasks we want to do. So we could come here. It has given us venue and venue and location. We could now go and add. Remember, we are still using blue for everything that is under here. We are using blue so that whenever we are moving, we'll know. Then we can decide to assign it to anybody in the team. So the person that is here now, okay, Rhyme is one of the guys that is here. We are assigning it to Rhyme. We can give it other details like we did to the other guy by coming here to give it a date to say 23rd. But because of his location, we should be able to round up by 25th. And all those other ones, sorry, 25th, and then we should be able to round up on the 26th. And so these are what we need. Then I don't want to go into typing all this one. I want to let us know some other things about this project. Now, the scenario we are looking at is that if you are a project manager, you should be able to come up with this requirement gathering. This is part of requirement gathering, knowing what you need. Then the next stage is to come into planning. Under this planning now, they have given us what and what. They've suggested 2 tasks for us under planning. So what we will do now, we are going to edit this. First of all, we change this color to something else. We can decide to use another color. I cancel it. Let's use, somebody suggest a color for me. We'll use my best color. Let's use peach for this place. Then the bucket we are is under planning. The progress we've not started. Okay, priority, let's leave it at medium. Then time, we can say, okay, this planning should start in March. In March 2nd. And then we'll continue from there. March 2nd, then we could just leave it like that. We'll go back. Just close it, you see what I've done. Now I want somebody else to see if you can, from your own side, go to the next task, specify deliverables and acceptance. Can somebody help us do that from your own side? Rahim, are you with me?
Yes, I'm here. There's a bit of noise from me.
Can you access that channel? You're supposed to be able to add a tax there.
Specify, yeah, okay. What's the ask, please?
Go to planning.
Mm-hmm. Change
When you
it
go
to,
to planning, add tax.
hold on. Planning. Okay, add task, yeah.
Have you clicked the add tax?
Yeah. So what's the task? What's the name that you want me to give the task?
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I want to put something on our OneNote. I did some, what do you call it?
Okay.
AI suggestion. From that AI suggestion, let me go back to here. So what I'll do now is to add a note. Yeah. So all of us, we are going to see this note now that I'm going to add. That is the beauty of using Teams, because we can bring in other apps and be working with it. So the title of the note is going to be Party Jollof Rice. Party Jollof. So just take one tag from here now when it drops. Okay. Can you see it from the note now? Have you been able to see the notes? Just click that note. Once you click the note,
Sorry.
click that
Okay.
note.
Note.
Yes, click this note up there.
Okay. Yeah. There's a note here.
Somebody is already in the note. Who is in the note? Somebody, please speak out. Someone is on the note already.
I think I click on the note, but I can't see this party jollof. But I'm already on the note. I click on the note, but I'm just trying to look for the.
Myself, I don't see the party.
So I'm just looking for the content.
You should be able to see it. I don't know why you are not seeing it right now. Okay. Let's go to SharePoint. Can you click SharePoint? Have you been able to click SharePoint? My stuff is slow, but we are going to get there. I'm trying to troubleshoot to see what's going on. Okay, this party jollof. So what I'm just trying to do is a way of sharing documents so that we could all see, you pick from there and use. Microsoft, permit me, permit me. Okay, what I'll do here is maybe I'll continue on my own. We'll rectify it later. I think they are restricting me because of non-payment. You guys are supposed to see, you're supposed to have seen that, what do you call it? The party jollof that I pasted there before. So I don't know why we couldn't see it. Because, okay, can you see PM onboarding notebook? PM onboarding notes.
PM onboarding notes. Yes, I can see.
Yeah, click it.
Is it okay? I have two here, 1 and 2. Is it 1 or 2?
Is 1. Take the first one. Did you see it?
Yes, yes.
Someone is moving on
So
it.
I can see the content now.
Okay, you can see the content. Okay.
Yes.
Maybe it was rebooting there. So now I want you to go under planning, pick up one of the tags there. Take a create details, recipe plus ingredients. Copy
Okay.
it. Just copy. I want you to work so that it will not be it is me alone that is controlling it. If you copy, let me know.
Yeah, I've copied it.
Okay. Now I go to party jollof rice up here. Look at the screen as I'm
Yeah,
doing
I've
it.
seen it. Yes, I've picked it.
Okay, under party jollof, go to that planning now.
Yes.
Click on plus
That
add
is
tag.
yes. I should enter the tax name.
Yes, enter that name as recipe
Okay.
and others.
Yes, add.
Just add, create, go down and create it. Let's see it. It will appear here now. Don't forget to give it the color peach.
Color.
That color you have there, which color do you have there when you wanted to create?
I think no, I didn't put any color when I wanted to create.
Okay, have you created?
Yes,
Okay,
I've created.
the color here, just create.
Okay, yes. I've done the creation already.
Okay, it has come here now.
Okay.
Okay, let me edit it now. So that's the pitch. Did you see where I went for the pitch? This icon.
Yes. Yes.
So I won't want us to waste time doing all these ones. Let other people do something too. So I'll just step away, see the color. Let me edit this one so that the color will also change. Okay, now let's go to executing. Who is there to take the next step, to do the next one? We had Amaka. No be so. Okay, Rahim, go to Rahim. Can you see this onboarding notebook?
Yeah, I can see them.
Click it.
I've seen the content in it.
Okay, fine. So can you pick one of the activities under? Let's go from this thing now. Let's go to execution.
Yeah, I've picked the buy rice.
Okay, let's go to this thing then.
Party
Let's go
jollof.
back to party jollof.
Yeah. Add task and then and you see it. I've added the buy rice.
Okay.
And what's the color for that?
Let's take green for it.
Okay. Done.
Okay. Create.
Sorry, I want me to do something else again.
What? Have you
I
given
mean,
it him?
do you want me to do something else again?
No. I just wanted to create. Scroll down. You see where it will tell you add. Sorry, or create. I think it's add or create. It will pop up here once you've done it, like the one of like
Yeah,
the
I've
one.
done. It's done, but I don't know why you don't see it at my end.
Can you see it on your own end?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I need to refresh my system. So now let me now move to the next stage. Since three of us have been able to add tags under each of these. Now this is project management. This is not software development. In project management, it is not like a software that you move tasks from one place to another. In project management, you face a task, you finish it. That's in waterfall, you face a task, you finish it, you move to the next stage. After finishing the whole task under that section, like for instance, initiation. When you finish the whole task in the initiation, you move to the next place. But sometimes you might need to go to somewhere else. Sometimes you might need to go move a task from one place to another. It's just the same process that is being done in other one. Is it me or what? Like it's been done in other, what do you call it? Like it's been done in other, some of these apps that you just move from one place to another. Where are all the things we've done before? What's going on today? So I wanted to do drag. I'm going to. I don't know what's happening today.
Can I drag from my side?
Okay, drag from your side. See if you can drag from your side. Or can you share your own screen? I don't even know. My system is not.
I think I've identified goal and objective to planning, and it's actually moved.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
I can't find planner here again. I can't find planner for anywhere here again. I think they are taking this thing away. My use. I've not paid for. I don't know. Just for me to see that I can't find it again. Could you imagine? Immediately I open here, everything is supposed to pop up. Everything is supposed to show that we've been doing.
Can I share mine?
Okay, share your own. Let me stop sharing.
Okay.
I'm sorry, everybody. I don't know what's happening today. And they just target the admin.
So I think
Okay.
I moved this one. Yes, this is what I moved from initiating to planning. So I think it's
okay. Yes, that is what I wanted us to use. So most of the time in what do you call it, in software development, you drag and put into the other place, into the other place. But in project management, most of the time in waterfall, we execute on each stage, complete it, move to the next one, complete, move to the next, complete. Like when we are doing our planning, we finish everything about planning, and then going to executing. We finish everything about executing. You can only execute and monitor at the same time, most of the time. But here, I'm just trying to illustrate that you can still take one of these tasks that you expect will still be done in the next stage and drag it in. That is what is done most of the time in software development, using both maybe the Kanban or this Scrum procedure. Now, another thing we have to take note of is, in this kind of something, you need to have your work breakdown structure. We don't have a work breakdown structure. That's why I put that note. Can you go back to that onboarding note?
Okay. Sorry, I think my system is a bit slow.
Okay, it's the same thing with my own too, so don't worry, we are together.
Okay, hi guys. Hi guys, I need to chime in. Time is not our friend this time around. So this is 9:59 my time, and it's already time that we wrap this up. I understand there were a lot of glitches, but it's usually normal. And the idea of being a very good project manager is that when you have these unusual circumstances, you find your way around it, and it makes you even more better because you're troubleshooting. So again, this is going to be a series, right? Daniel, we're going to have to start from where we stopped in the next session. Thanks for everyone who has joined in. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Daniel, for finding time. I know the last session, I was very livid that we did not record, but this one, I was sure that we recorded. So yeah, so this is how it usually is. It's not always smooth sailing every now and then. Oh, the session was great and all of that. There are times where you have to do a whole lot of things, troubleshoot, find out what's going on, because this is real life. This is not a movie. All right. So thanks, guys, and then we're gonna catch up later. Bye for now. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Daniel.
thank you, Daniel. I appreciate everyone.
Okay, thank you guys. Sorry for the technical glitch.
Very interesting.